Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Polka Wallet application. If you want to turn on the dark mode for your Polka Wallet application, then it is a quite straightforward process. So in order to do that, let's jump right into the video. Open up your Polka Wallet application and make sure that you're inside one of your wallets. By default, it is going to show you a white display background for the wallet. To change that into something dark, go and tap the settings button at the bottom right hand corner from the main home page. Now, from the list of options displayed on the screen, tap on Preferences. You'll be able to see a dark theme option on the second row. Simply toggle on the button right next to dark theme and you should be able to enable or turn on dark mode in Polka Wallet application. So that is how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.